Okay, so I'm going to harvest my sweet potatoes today out of my tire, my fancy tire that I made. This came with the house and I decided to paint it and turn it into a planter. Never harvested sweet potatoes before, so I'm going to see how this goes. I saw online when to harvest them. It said whenever the leaves start to turn yellow and die back, and that's what we got going on here. So let's see what we've got as far as sweet potatoes. These vines will make good compost. Oh, got some already. A couple there. That was an original seed potato. Little baby one. And there's gotta be some big ones in here somewhere. That's pretty good size. Ugh. There's one. Oops, I messed one up. Huh. There's a supermarket size one. Little guys. There better be at least one giant one here though. Oh good, there's ants in here. That's always fun to deal with. Ooh, a lot of ants. That's not making them happy. Of course they're not making me happy. Yeah, there's some big ones. Nothing massive yet though. There's something big down there. Feels like. Let's see if I can move the tire out. Maybe that'll make a difference. Whoa, a lot of ants. A lot of ants.
Ooh, that is a lot of ants.
Yep. Try to move quick. Looks like the bigger ones are towards the bottom. Pretty good sized grub. Chickens will like that. Sting here and there. Looks like there's some in the tire, but there's a lot of ants. So I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I'm gonna let them subside a little bit. But that's a pretty good haul for a couple of... I'm dealing with a lot of ants here. I'm gonna treat the ants and come back. So this is the haul after I've sprayed it off with the hose. Looks like a pretty successful haul for about 2 months worth of growth. Let's see, planted them in early June, so almost 3 months. What I didn't know is that fire ants apparently eat sweet potatoes, so that one's going to be unusable, but I didn't have very many of those. But the inside of that tire turned into a giant fire ant mound, and now I'm treating the soil with diatomaceous earth, food grade, so I can reuse the soil, because that garden bed needs filling up. Gonna have to harvest peanuts soon, and hopefully some, let me see if I can see them, eggplants. Well, I got the flowers coming in, but I don't actually have any growing yet to show you. Anyway, that's it from Chad's Backyard Farm. Peace out.